Don Gillette has been a popular face on television for decades now but regularly keeps his personal life out of the spotlight. Don Gillette has been a feature on television screens for decades now, working on some of the most popular shows around. In 1991 he appeared on The Bill, but it wasn't until a decade later that he landed his first major role. On BBC it was Babyfather. It was followed by appearances on the likes of Holby City, Doctors, 55 Degrees North and even Doctor Who. Don, 58, even had a guest role in Death in Paradise in 2015. This year's Christmas special saw the star becoming the detective inspector to front the Caribbean drama. Detective Inspector Mervyn Wilson is the latest British cop to head to the fictional St. Mary to help locals fight crime. It sees Don following in the footsteps of stars like Ben Miller, Chris Marshall, Ardal O'Hanlon, and most recently Ralph Little. Upon being announced as the new detective, Don told the Mirror, "This is a big show, with a big heart and the love continually grows for it. It is my intention to never lose sight of that and to remain grateful, humbled and dedicated." Fans of the show may be wondering about the star's life however, including his famous ex-wife, his Midlands upbringing, and his rumored Happy Valley girlfriend. Early life. Don was born in 1967 in Walsall in the West Midlands. He developed a passion for acting at an early age, training professionally at the Mount View Academy of Theatre Arts. According to IMDb he first appeared on The Bill as Gary Heawood in 1991, reprising the role in 2003. Then in 1991 he appeared in an episode of The Desmonds. He went on to star in Now What?, The Return of Nick Cotton and Casualty. But it was in 2001 when he got his big break when he joined the cast of Babyfather with future EastEnders co-star Diane Parrish.